Hey there, let me ask you something. Are you running ads online but not getting the results you expected? Think about it. Your customers are on Google every single day, but are your ads really reaching them? Let me introduce you to something powerful: Google Performance Max campaigns. It allows your business to show ads across all of Google's platforms like search, YouTube, display, Gmail, Maps, and even shopping with just a single campaign. Now think about it. Instead of guessing where to spend your budget, Performance Max uses Google's AI and machine learning to do the heavy lifting. It automatically finds your best customers, shows the right ad at the right time, and gets you maximum conversions. So let me ask you one last question. Wouldn't you want to grow faster, save time, and reduce wasted ad spend while your competitors are still struggling? If the answer is yes, then it's time for Google Performance Max. Let's make your business unstoppable.